Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm Simply Suki, and I'm finally back. I know, girl, it's been forever since I've been gone. I've had a lot of things going on in my life, but I figured I need to stop slacking. So I figured, why not? It's still the summer. I'm gonna film this little tutorial for you guys, which is a quick and easy makeup look where if you're going out for drinks or, late night dancing, something like that, you want something quick and cute. This is definitely the video for you. And for you guys who are new, please don't forget to subscribe and like or comment on this video. Anyways, keep tuned, guys. I want to forewarn you all that you might hear some rain in the background because it is pouring down out there. But yeah, so I'm really excited that I'm back filming, and I don't know, it just feels really good to be back in front of the camera. I know I've been slacking really hard, but I'm definitely going to try to be more consistent and get more content out there for you all. So anyways, this is going to be like the quickest tutorial ever, I promise you. Like, this is summertime, and I haven't really been wearing a lot of makeup like that. I've just been trying to take care of my skin and, just to keep it basic and stuff like that. Like, if I go out and like I'm going to give myself a full beat, it's really on a rare occasion. Like, it has to be like an actual like event. Here lately, like if I've been going out drinking with my friends or going out dancing, I've been keeping it really simple, like I promise you. And right now I'm just putting some of this Palmer's cocoa butter on my skin. I've been using this a lot this summer instead of using primer and stuff like that because I have really dry skin anyways, so I just figured this is like the best for me. So we're just going to smooth this in, get our face hydrated, and then after this I immediately go into my powder foundation. Like, this has been my routine. I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me, and this is in the shade 35. Oop, that one's actually the shade 30. Let me get the shade 35. All right, we got shade 35 in the Maybelline Fit Me. So normally I would wear the shade 30, but it is summer. I've gotten tan, like you can see, like in my older videos, like I'm tan, honey. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and dump it in there like that. And I'm just gonna take a little bit at a time and then slowly work up. So I'm taking my Real Techniques brush, my powder brush. I love this brush. It's just so big and fluffy, and it just coats the skin really well and everything. I just love it. So I'm just take a little bit of the powder foundation and just start dabbling it on my face. I'm just giving myself like a light coat. Like I said, I haven't really been doing that many like beat downs this summer. I've been keeping it pretty classic and basic because I just felt like I don't need all that. Like, I'm sweating and it's summer, it's hot, you know what I mean? So I've just been keeping it simple. To brighten my skin, I'm just taking this Ruby Kisses powder, and this is in the shade Golden Glow. It's gonna come off a little white, but I want my under eye area and stuff like that to still be a little highlighted. But trust me, it will all come together because we're gonna contour and bronze up the face a little bit. So we're gonna have that nice summer kissed glow. It's gonna be fine, girl. So, and you will all have to excuse this powder. Like, it is ratchet beyond ratchet. It's gotten broke so many times, like on my trips and stuff. So it's just terrible right now. And you can see, like, it kind of gives me that nice brightened up glow and cancels out that dullness color of the Maybelline Fit Me. Like, don't get me wrong, I like that powder, but it just has like kind of like a neutral color to it. So, in like, well, like a cool tone, and that doesn't really go well with my skin. So I know this might look a little light, but I've been mixing like these two together. Like I said, it will all come together. We're gonna just add in a little bit of concealer, and I'm taking this LA Girls Pro Concealer. For you all that no makeup, like this, or not foundation, this concealer is bomb.com, point blank period. Like, it gives you the coverage you need and everything. Like, I've never, well, I can say I've been interested in purchasing like the tart shapes and stuff like that, but I've heard like this compared to that, they're pretty much the same, So why not? Why would you want to purchase a $25 concealer when this one's only like $4, $4 to $5 depending on where you get it from. So, and I'm the color Pure Beige in this. This has pretty much been my color like all along throughout different seasons. I don't really switch up my concealers too much unless I get really super dark. And this is just to give us a little bit of extra coverage underneath our eyes because, you know, the face is really light and we don't have that much coverage, so we want to make sure everything's being camouflaged still. I'm taking my really dirty beauty blender. Don't ever do this. Like, I just wanted to quickly film this tutorial and I have enough time to like get everything really ready. So other than that, you know, my other videos, you guys, like, I've always been with clean beauty blenders. Like, I even have a video where I show you how to clean a beauty blender. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my setting spray, just spray it on there and get it saturated. And we're just gonna go in on our under eye and press this concealer in. End of the month, I'm going to Miami. So I'm super excited for that. Plus I'm going with my best friend who I have not seen in like over 2 years. So it's about to be lit. And we're possibly gonna go to the Bahamas one day as well. So I am just super duper freaking excited. Like, you have no idea. So now that that concealer's on, I'm gonna go back into the Ruby Kiss powder because I want my eye to be a little brighter. And just dabble that under. I like to set my under eye really well. Okay, so got that in there. And we're just gonna take that big fluffy Real Techniques brush again, just to kind of lock it in and press it in. And to make it more, I guess, transparent to the skin. It really did brighten up my under eyes, if you guys can see that. But I like it. And the next thing we're gonna do is start bronzing up the face, and I'm gonna use my Mad About You palette. And I got this from TJ Maxx like forever ago. And like, I know there's Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, you know, there's a lot of contour kits out there, but for some reason, like, I've always used this one for a while, and like, I promise you, like, I love it so much. And I'm gonna take this little powder brush, but you can see like the little angle it has on it, so it's good for. So I'm going to take this color right here, starting out, and then I kind of mix it in between like this color right here to the darker one, depending on how bronzed up the face I want it to go. And as you can see, look at that, like, it just already giving me like a nice little sun-kissed glow. Like, I love this so much. And the other side. I'm gonna take a little bit on the forehead, especially because I want my forehead to be a little smaller. I always love contouring my forehead. It's like one of my favorite parts. And plus it just makes the overall look come together, you know? You're supposed to have like that bronzy look. And I just love this because it puts warmth back into your face and it just makes you look like a summer kissed Barbie. And I'm gonna put a little bit underneath my chin and jawline. Again, just to make everything tie together. Techniques brush and really blend that out. so I don't have any sharp lines of demarcation or anything like that. Okay, and then we're kind of just skipping all around the place, but you know, still going in a somewhat of a systematic order. This has just kind of been my routine anyway. And then I'm taking the Master Cone Highlight by Maybelline. And this has been my favorite highlight forever. And then I'm taking this on a Morphe brush. This has been like my go-to highlighting brush as well. And just take this in there. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of highlight. Just look how radiant it makes your skin. Like, I just love it. Add a little bit on the other side. And just to blend it out just a little bit, I'm gonna take that Real Techniques brush again. Just make sure everything is well blended in. And next, honey, is these brows, because I'm basically just gonna take in my little Broadway eyebrow kit. And I got this from the dollar store. Yes, the dollar store. And I promise you it works very, very well. And I'm taking my Morphe angled brush. It has a spoolie on the other end. So I'm not doing anything super dramatic with my brows. I'm just filling them in, shaping and filling, keeping it like natural. That's pretty much it. Like I said, it's just something quick and cute, you know, and you can even like do this for like a little, like a date night, you know what I mean? Like if you don't want something that's super like soiree or something like that. So the last thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some Vaseline. Gotta make sure those lips are moisturized, girl. Take a little bit of this. And this has kind of been like my summer routine on my lips as well. I'm going to take the NYX lip liner, and this one is light brown. I'll just line my lips. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of this Clean Color matte gloss, and this is in the shade Bubblegum. If you watched my shop haul video, if you haven't, make sure you check it out. I actually put this in the video. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this. Take a little bit of that NYX lip liner again. And then I'm going to take the NYX Butter Gloss. I love this stuff so much. And this is in the shade BLG05. And since it's summer, I haven't really been wanting to do like a lot of matte lipsticks. Really glossy. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Look out in the future for some videos. I promise you, like, I'm not gonna be slacking anymore. I will be pushing out consistent content. I got you. So anyways, stay tuned to the next video. I love you guys. Mwah.